most people can't get job or internship after even completing the 4th year. Like after getting an internship in the first year, it motivates us to push harder and learn deep. Hi, I'm Rishi. Here at NIAT, we don't just dream of careers. We build them from day one. And I have already landed an internship in my very first year. If this is where the first year took me, I can't wait to see what's ahead. Some people have different stack, like my stack is Merge stack, some might have Flutter, some might have Django, like different stacks. I had some challenges, technical challenges in the starting, like about learning my stack. But after I consulted my mentors and instructors, I got to solving all my doubts when I had instantly at that moment. By solving many problems or practicing, it gives us a lot of grip on the subject and we get to understand it completely, how it works and how should we apply it. In the starting, I didn't think that I would get an internship in first year. Like after learning so many languages and technical skills, I've got confidence like I can crack an internship in the first year. Every month we have one exam like the internship drive. If we qualify in that mock interview also, we'll be getting the conditional offer letter from the company, technical skills that the company is expecting from us, and we'll have like 1 to 2 months time. We'll be mastering those skills in that time, and after once we have completed our stack, we'll have one final interview with the company, and if we qualify in that interview, we'll be getting our internship and we'll start working. Yeah, my parents feel great that I'm doing an internship in the first year. A lot of my friends are amazed that I cracked an internship in the first year. Like some of the things I learned in my internship are how to apply what I learned in that classroom in real life applications or solving the problems in the real world. Learned a lot about the time management, how do we prioritize our things. Yeah, currently my stack is Merge stack. Dive deep into Merge stack, learning new things in Merge stack, like building more complex websites so that I can solve more problems. And I also want to learn like other stacks that are required in the software field. NIAT spent a lot of time with the fundamentals we required, and we made some real life projects with our stacks, and we had some really good projects to show to the companies.